Look at that.
Look at that.
What do you see, Ethan?
Look at train. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Look at train. Look at train.
Look at that train. Look at this, Ethan.
Oh, wow. Tunnel train.
Whoa!
Double train. Look at
Double train?
Look at train.
Look at that one.
Look at one.
Look at that one.
Look at that one.
Wow.
Show my strings. That's one.
Ethan, Ethan, look up here. Ethan,
Look at Daddy for a second.
say thanks, Aunt Lily.
Thanks.
Look at the. Oh, and that's from Aunt Lily too. It's a flashlight.
It's a bumblebee flashlight.
Oh, this is cool. We're gonna have to put some batteries in it.
Ethan, what is that?
Later.
No, but what kind? What does it look like?
Bzz, 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 bzz.
Can you say bumblebee?
Bumblebee.
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome. We'll put some batteries
Okay,
in.
signing off.